My name is Brianna, and in today's video you're going to decorate with me for Landon's 4th birthday. I have no idea how I have a 4-year-old, but I'm so excited for this party. He requested Incredibles. He was insistent on this. We actually tried to talk him into Toy Story. Adam was kind of thinking, hey, Toy Story 4 comes out this summer, and I thought that would be fun to decorate for, but Landon insisted Incredibles was it. I think him and Kanye are both on the Incredibles train. But I've set like everything out on this table to sort of go through and start decorating here. I'm really excited for it. Landon wanted to dress up, so we figured the whole family could dress up. I found all these on Amazon, and he actually shopped online with me, and Landon saw this dress for Presley, and another thing he insisted on was Presley has to wear this dress to my party. And then we somehow got suggested in that Amazon algorithm rabbit hole that Coley needed a costume too, but I just am kind of going with red tablecloths. I found Incredibles plates at Party City. I decided then yellow napkins and cups to kind of tie in everything. I found a ton of black face masks and got some streamers on Etsy. I was trying to shop small, and I did black utensils, so it kind of has all the colors that go with the plates. And these were some of the Etsy finds. I found this cake topper. I found some cupcake toppers. Landon also, he insisted he would have cupcakes and cookies. So what I've got in this Pyrex is these fondant Incredibles cookie toppers. So I'm just gonna do circle cutout cookies with frosting and then stick the Incredibles fondant on the top. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera on the tripod and start decorating here. I've gotta like clear off the Easter decor back there first. But I do think one of the things I will try to do is on my blog, it's bitsofbrieblog.com, do a full post just on party planning. So whether you're having an Incredibles party or like my daughter Presley, we're doing a tea for 2 mini party in a month. So stay tuned for that. I'll do a decorate with me for that one too, if you guys like this one. But just like a party planning tips in general, because it's something that I actually have done professionally and just that I have so much joy in doing. So I will do a blog post on that. I think it's like probably perfect timing because I have like all my list already pre-made for the kids party planning. So check out the blog for that.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
Probably the #1 question I get always how I hang things. So I use command strips or hooks for a lot. These can kind of be used for like larger size posters, but for a lot of the garlands or streamers, I use these command hooks. And then I got these balloons. These were sent to us. It's called Zuru Bunch of Balloons. It blows up. Like this has 24 balloons in it, and the strings are already attached. It blows them right up. I think I'm gonna hold off on doing these until the morning of the party though, just cause I want them to last a little bit. But I did get from Dollar Tree today, cause I looked up online, it says the foil balloons can last 5 to 7 days. So I got red, gold, and black from the Dollar Tree, and it looks like one of them just didn't last. I think it must have hit something in the car.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming.
Okay, so I'm sitting here thinking, I have a few days until the party, and I might be resetting this entire table because I went down the basement to find this little sign, and I completely forgot from the bat mitzvah I did, I have these gorgeous red sequin tablecloths, and I have enough that I could cover this table. So, I mean, the red doesn't look bad, but I just think because of like the crease lines, and I know that like the sequin just, it lays really, really pretty, I think I might reset the entire table. But honestly, I think I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So I've gotta go make dinner and stuff. I think this is gonna have to wait till tomorrow, but I'm making some progress, making some progress. still have to bake the cookies, bake the cake and the cupcakes. And of course, when all of the food actually arrives, we're gonna order pizza, and my grandma's bringing salad and I'm making a fruit salad. So that's kind of the menu. There's a couple of other things now that I have it set up that I just sort of want to personalize, and I think I'm gonna do little name tags for the kids on the kiddie table too, and like write their names on. I like found these little Dollar Tree treat bags. So this will still be a slightly to be continued video, because if you want to see how it all sort of turns out and comes together, make sure you watch Landon's birthday vlog, because we'll vlog the day of his birthday party. And you'll get like sneak peeks first, actually, if you follow me over on Instagram. So make sure you're following over there. But I just cannot believe I'm gonna have a 4-year-old here in a few days. It's just wild. But hopefully Landon has an incredible birthday. And I hope that you enjoyed this Decorate With Me video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves. Have a surprise. Close them, close them, close them. Okay, open them, open them.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Is it my birthday now?
It's almost your birthday. You like it?
Wow.
Someone
Someone took her shoes off. What'd you say? Yeah, you took your shoes off. Whoa.
I think it's the Federal City.
Yeah. You want to look in there? I still have to make your cookies and cupcake, but
Whoa.
See?
Is this another surprise?
yeah. What do you think?
Mommy, where's Chloe's mask?
I have it in the other room. We'll put our costumes on the day of the party, okay?
Oh, you just want to be up on Daddy?
The party. Yeah. Excited? Well, baby Lucas probably will sit in the high chair.
But you show me life is full.
Okay.
The high chair was ready. I was sitting in and I was eating baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like it?
Yeah.
It's the coolest birthday you've ever had. Presley, what do you think?
That Barbie mask.
Oh, that's your mask?
No, it's not a mask.
Yeah, one of those is for her. I was gonna make name tags for all the kids.
No,
You want me to do that? You can put one on.
Which way do they go?
That's how Presley did it.
This way?
And you want me to do it for you?
Hey, when
Goes
I
around the back of your head. And you'll get to wear your incredible costume.
got my dog, got bacon me.
Oh.
They found the mask. Huh? How many masks you got there?
I need that all.
It'll be a miracle if this table lasts until the party. Whoa, how many are you wearing?
I'm wearing 3. But I am 3.
You're gonna be 4 though.
And I'm put 4 on
Oh my.
Now I'm real naughty.
Pretty cool.
Did you see her reaction when he put 3 on? I hope the camera got it because she was like...
I don't think I did. Oh.